Well. So, you have got your Avatar 2, Goggles 3, motion controller, Avatar 2 controller, Avatar 2 batteries, Mavic 3, Mavic 3 batteries, Mavic 3 controller, Osmo Pocket 3, ND filters for each of them, and you are so excited that you're gonna go travel and create some great content. But the problem here is how to carry all these things when you're traveling. Also, if you want to save some bucks when you're flying through cheap airlines, the problem is there is restriction on the bag size, so you cannot take a very heavy, very big backpack with you. So I've got a solution. Let me show you. There is one bag. You can put everything in that bag along with some of your clothes for a perfect 4-day trip with all your drones, and you will be very happy to create the content and save money while traveling as well. Here you go. Let me show you the bag. Alright, all this stuff I'm gonna put in this bag. You see the size of this bag? Everything will go in this bag. Let me show you how I'm gonna pack everything in this bag. So first, of course, this is the Mavic bag. So half of the things are packed in this case. But what about all these things? How am I gonna pack this? And how am I gonna put my clothes? Well, don't worry, I will show that. So now this one is done. Here comes the magic. Now this bag has got one special compartment and it becomes a rucksack. Put this here. And this one has got so much scope, it can carry everything. Okay, let me show you. So now this one is very big and spacious. Second step is put all your clothes. Here are my clothes. I will just fold everything nicely. Still lot of space. Still this much space is left. Now you have got your Avatar 2 along with charger. So if you don't have Avatar 2 bag, it's still not a problem. You can keep individually everything inside. But if you got a bag, it's much better. So I have got Avatar 2 bag here. So just put Avatar 2 nicely in the bag. So Avatar 2 here. RC controller. Batteries. Goggles 3. And controller. So that's the Avatar 2 bag. Avatar 2 is packed, and now this whole bag gonna go inside this one. So put this one here. Okay, this is inside the bag. Everything is nice. And look at this, still there is lot of space where you can keep some of your towel or chargers or like anything which you desire. Close it. That's become my bag, and here you can put your passport or anything, and there is more chain here, and let me show you. There it is. And you are ready to travel with all your stuff, all your drone, cameras and everything in this bag. this bag is called DJI convertible travel bag. So that's one hell of a bag. It can carry everything for a weekend trip or for 5 days trip with all your drones and some camera and chargers and everything. The DJI convertible bag. And yes, cheap airliners will not say no to this bag because it's within the size limit. Look at the size of this bag. Everything there, nice and easy. If you like this video, follow me and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.